and I am Blake the Scientist, and I'm trying an experiment for 7 Peaks, which is called the Battle of the Toothpastes, which I've got number 1, number 2, and numero tres. And I'm also going to be using this, the Red Star red wine vinegar, RC Cola, some Kirkland brand orange juice, and just for fun, Diet RC. Oh, and Kirkland brand white eggs. So I have filled 3 rows of 4 glasses that are filled with regular, diet, OJ, and vinegar. And I'm going to be painting on the toothpaste on top of these eggs. So first, which is my front row, your back row, I'm going to be going with these Nature Grape first. Clean hands. So gross. Ugh. There it is. Slippery. Sticky toothpaste egg. First one in the regular. In the liquid. Second egg. In the OJ. Third egg. In the vinegar. And fourth egg. In the diet. And I'm going to pause the video so I can go lather my hands. And welcome back. All clean hands now. And I am going to start putting in the Toms. Ready? Ready? Poof. They're already lathered up. I'm gonna start setting them in. There's the diet. There's the OJ. There's the vinegar. And there is the regular. Okay, so I am now going to do my last and final, which is this right here, which is Go Smile. It's a very expensive toothpaste, and I'm not going to use these since these are already contaminated. I will use my fingers. So, egg numero uno, egg numero dos, egg numero tres. Ooh, that one like floated. Cuatro. And there you have it. And I'll be back once again to put in the non-touched, non contaminated ones, the non-contaminated eggs. See you in a minute. Hello and welcome back once again. Clean hands. And I'm Blake once again. Here's the last one. Uncontaminated by this or this and or this. Ready? I'm going to take this one. OJ. Vinegar. And lastly, the diet. Ooh. I'm going to show you an over-the-top view. Look at all of them. You can see some are already reacting. And that's it. Thank you. I'm Blake. See you tomorrow. Hello. It's been 8 hours. Here are all my cups still. Let's see. The diet doesn't seem to be as reactive as the regular, and the regular doesn't seem to be very active except for in the Toms of Maine. The orange juice, it's kind of hard to see, but it's reacted quite a bit. Then the vinegar seems to be the ones that have been reacting the most. Look at that. And even in the one that I didn't put the other in, I'll put the toothpastes in. There's the diet, and there's the reg. And there's the orange juice. Remember, I'm Blake, and see you tomorrow. Hello and welcome back. This is day 2 of the science experiment, and I'm just going to be taking some observations of the experiment that's been sitting out for one whole day. So, let's start off with the regular. The regular, for the controlled, it seems that the egg is sitting at the bottom of the glass. Kind of hard to see, but sitting at the bottom of the glass right there. And with the ghost smile, it hasn't really reacted that much, but it's floating a little. It's floating a little, and I've got clean hands, and I'll show you this. See? And then I have the Toms of Maine with the regular. And I'll show you, this one's floating too. See how it goes down and it floats back up? And then we have the Nature's Gate, which is sunk to the bottom right now. Next, we have the OJ, which is really hard to see, but on the Nature's Gate, it's floating to the top. It's right there. On this one, the Toms of Maine, it's floating and it's right there. Switching hands. on the Ghost Smile, it's not floating, unless I'm mistaken. Yeah, it's not floating. And on this, the controlled one, it's floating, and it seems pretty reactive. It's right there. And it's super soft, too. Lastly, well, second to last is the vinegar, and the vinegar has been really reacting. The most reactive is the controlled one. Really weird. But all of them floating. Boop. And this one's super squishy. They're all really squishy. And a new finger each time. It's floating right there, and they're all really squishy. And lastly is the diet. So they're all sunk at the bottom. And this one is the Toms of Maine is the one that has reacted the most. The little reaction, which is not much to say because they all haven't really reacted. Then the controlled one is just sitting at the bottom of the glass. Well, that's it for today. See you again tomorrow. Adios.